Good day everyone, magandang araw po sa lahat. Today we're going to learn how to search for an image that is free of copyright issue. Kasi po, kailangan we need to make it sure na yung mga illustrations po na ginagamit natin are free to use po. And since we are encouraging everyone to develop modules, isa po ito sa naging problema ng ating mga teacher developers, ng ating mga teacher writers. Kung paano po sila makakasiguro na yung illustrations nila, yung images nila na kanilang ginamit are free to use. Kasi nga po, although we encourage them to tap our illustrators, hindi po natin may kakaila that we only have limited numbers of illustrators in the division. Kaya po yung iba natin mga guro ay naghanap po ng mga images sa internet. So yun po ang tatalakayin natin in this presentation kung paano po tayo makakasiguro that the image that we are using is free to use. So to start with, all we have to do is we need a strong internet connection at magpapatulong po tayo kay Google. So ang gagawin lang po natin, i-type po sa search box kung ano yung image na gusto nating kopyahin. For example, ang hinahanap po natin ay image of a flower. So all we have to do, type flower in the search box, click, at lalabas po ang screen na yan. And since we are looking for images, we need to click images so that more pictures, more illustrations ng isang flower ang lalabas po sa screen. Tulad po nito. Ayan. After that, ang gagawin po natin para malaman po natin kung alin sa mga ito ang free to use, ang pwedeng gamitin ng libre, ang gagamitin po natin is i-click po natin yung tools para po lumabas ang mga buttons na ito. Ayan. Size, color, usage rights, type, or time. Ito po yung parang description ng isang image na gusto nating mahanap, na gusto nating hanapin. And since our concern is a free-to-use image, all we need to click is usage rights. Ayan po. After clicking that part, lalabas po ang mga ito. Not filtered by license, labeled for reuse with modification, labeled for reuse, labeled for non-commercial reuse with modification, and labeled for non-commercial reuse. So, pipili po tayo alin sa mga dyan ang gagamitin o hinahanap natin. At gaya ng sabi ko, ang hinahanap po natin ay yung mga images na pwedeng gamitin ng libre. So, ang i-click po natin ay ang labeled for reuse. Para po ang maglalabas ng mga pictures ay yung mga pictures na pwedeng-pwedeng gamitin ng libre. Ayan. Paano po natin malalaman na itong mga pictures na ito ay labeled for reuse? Simple lang po. Ayan. Naka-boldface na po yung labeled for reuse. Meaning, all of these pictures that are shown on the screen are pictures or images that are free to use. But then, kung gusto po natin talaga makasigurado na libreng gamitin yung picture na ito, all we have to do is click the picture to check the license. Like for example, in this particular example, in this particular pictures, in this particular activity rather, i-click po natin yung picture na those. Ayan, i-check po natin ang license. After checking, after clicking rather, lalabas po yung kanyang bigger version. And then, dyan po makikita natin ang details ng picture. Yan po yung bigger version at saka yung details niya. Red rose flower, free stock photo. Dyan pala makikita na natin na libre yung picture na yan. But then, if we really want to check the license, i-click at lalabas po ito. Makikita po dyan, free to use, di po ba? And then, kung pag gusto natin makita yung license, i-click lang po yung info. Yung nasa baba ng free to use. Ganito po. After clicking, lalabas po yung detalye ng picture kasama yung license niya. Ayan po yung detalye niya at if you are going to scroll it down, makikita po yung license ng picture. At dyan sa license, makikita po free to use at saka no attribution required. So meaning, yung picture po ng rose kanina, pwede po yung magamit ng libre talaga. No? But then, for the sake of validation, we still encourage everyone to reflect the link kung saan nakuha yung picture para madaling ma-validate ni evaluator at malaman ni evaluator na in this particular image is really free to use or not. Okay? Let's have another example. So balik tayo sa Google. Kunwari ang hinahanap natin is picture ng isang bulubundukin or mountains. So all we have to do is type in the search box mountains and then click images so that more pictures, more images of mountains will come out on the screen. Ayan po, i-click mo natin yung images. Ayan. So after that, for us to know or for us to select the pictures or images that are free to use, all we have to do is click Tools. After clicking Tools, lalabas po ang mga ito. Size, color, usage rights, type, and time. Again, since our concern is to look for images that are free to use, all we need to click is usage rights. Para po lumabas, ayan, not filtered by license, labeled for use with modification, labeled for reuse, labeled for non-commercial reuse with modification, and labeled for non-commercial reuse. So again, yung concern po natin ay yung mga pictures or images na libreng o pwedeng gamitin ng libre. So i-click po natin yung labeled for reuse. Para po lumabas po yung mga pictures na libre, pwede siyang gamitin, no? Ng libre. Ayan. So, paano po natin malalaman na itong mga pictures na ito ay labeled for reuse? Ayan po. Naka-boldface po yung labeled for reuse. Ayan. Okay? So, but then, if you want to really make it sure na libre talaga yung image na yon, i-check po natin yung license. Like for example, in this particular images, no? Kunwari, ang pinipili po natin itong pang-apat na picture. Ayan. So, all we have to do is click the picture to come out yung, para lumabas yung bigger version niya. I-click lang yan. So, lumabas na po yung bigger version niya. At nandyan po yung details na rin ng picture, yung image. Ayan po. Yan po yung bigger version. At yan po yung details niya. I-click po natin yan para makita po natin yung license ng image. After clicking, nandyan po, makikita po dyan, free to use. Ayan, and then, click info para makita po natin yung license. Ayan po yung license. Ayan. Free to use, no attribution required. So, sure na po tayo na itong image na ito ay pwede siyang gamitin ng libre. But again and again, we still encourage everyone to include or to put the link where you get the image para po sa quality assurance process, it would be easier in the part of the validator, of the evaluator, to check the copyright of the image na yung ginamit natin sa module. So yun po, and I hope po nakatulong ang presentation na ito. Just let us know kung ano pa ang gusto nating malaman at subukan po nating gumawa ng presentation na pwede nyo panuorin o pakinggan na paulit-ulit. Okay? So I hope mayroon po natin natutunan sa presentation na ito, and maraming salamat po and may God bless everyone. Thank you.